Hello guys, welcome to PyPower Projects. In this series on Pathway for Data Science, we will be conducting our second video as Data Science Jobs. Data Science is not just a trending career, but is the sexiest job in the 21st century. But a data science comes with skills of computer science, business understanding or domain knowledge, and even mathematical and statistical knowledge. To cover up, a data science skill set consists of programming experience, machine learning models, data visualization tools, business knowledge, big data or cloud computing, and the foremost, communication and storytelling skills. Absolutely, they need to convey or communicate to the stakeholders the relevant insights that they have gained or explored from the. Okay, so let's look on the top data science positions that are trending in the 21st century. The most common position is a data scientist. A data scientist is an all-in-one, one-man army person for a data science project. In a data science project, they can perform every single task to complete the project, including the data operations and the data analysis project. They can even communicate to the relevant stakeholders about the project and relevant insights from data. So data scientists are generally having masters as their academic background, mainly coming from computer science, business, or mathematical background. They're expected to grow 2 times every year in this planet. Before a data scientist could complete the project, we need some more people in the team. One of them is data architect. Before starting or commencing the project, we need the main term called data as our food to cook the specific recipe. Data is the key thing for a data scientist, but data comes with format and specific structure. There may be structured data or unstructured data. So we need a data architect to create a blueprint for the data to conclude a proper format which is needed for data modeling. They have a hand over SQL, XML, and even Spark. They can have data warehousing skills, in-depth knowledge about database architecture, can extract information, transform it to the necessary thing, and load into the model. They also have data modeling skills to perform specific operations on data as required. But we need data engineer into our team because data is being generated every second. Nearly 2 terabytes of data is being generated every second, and very few of them is being recorded, and a least of them is being analyzed. But still, data is being generated. To get proper and up-to-date insights from data, we need to keep our database and architecture updating so that we could not miss a specific influential information or sensitive spikes in our results. So we need a data engineer who construct and even test and maintains the architecture in our database systems. They have a hand over SQL, R, Python, SAS, and SPSS. Before a data engineer, let's have a look about statistician, which are the historical leaders of data science. They have constructed statistical models, and when statistics integrated with computer science, they gave out as the term data science, and this term is just nearly 10 years old and still is the trending term on the internet. Statistician decides the proper analytical approach which is needed for the data science project. They can guide the team and construct a proper pathway for the team as well. But still, statistician is also a reputed position in a data science team. But as we discuss as a team, we need a captain or leader of the data science team. We call it as data and analytics manager or data science manager. They no doubt have data science skill sets with SQL, R, Python, Matlab, and many more, including with leadership and interpersonal communication skills. They keep the team motivated, construct a proper pathway, and have the team on track and on the page with one another. Before we move towards the data analysis part, we need machine learning engineers to properly train the model and implement the ML algorithms and tools to build specific models and gain relevant insights from data. So machine learning engineer is one of the most important position in a data scientist team. After we analyze and create all the models and gain relevant insights, we need to communicate them with data decision scientist. Basically, decision scientist communicates it with the stakeholders and the CEO of the companies. They are simpler, they convert the relevant and technical insights of data into a story and serve them in a simpler way so that stakeholders could get convinced and take relevant decisions, take appropriate decisions which could earn them huge profits. So decision scientist, although comes at the last stage of the data science project, but they are the most important in convincing the team, the insights, and the stakeholders. They are like buffers by communicating the insights of the data science team to the organization. Every decision that has been taken or are going to be taken by the stakeholders will be monitored and will be convinced by the decision scientist. So let's have an overview on what every team member of a data science team or project earns. No doubt, data scientist being a one-man army earns the most, being able to replace each and every team member and their work, roles, and responsibilities. No doubt, every position have their relevant importance and perform specific tasks on data, and which are unavoidable in the data science team. Okay, so in this video, we have discussed about some data science positions like data scientist, data architects, data analyst, data analytics manager, statistician, ML engineer, decision scientist, and many more. So in the next video, we will be discussing on data science methodology. A data science project performs or a data has a life cycle on which it goes into the cycle and gives relevant insights out of it. So in the data science methodology, we will give you proper understanding of data science methodology, which are the steps, which are the processes, which are the phases and stages of a data science project. So stay tuned and see you soon. Stay safe and stay healthy in this coronavirus time. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.